Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the date and time settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Time and Language button at the left side of the screen to show the time and language settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Date and Time button to the right to show the date and time settings at the right side of the Settings app window. The computer's current date and time appears in the Current Date and Time setting button. To enable or disable automatically setting the time in Windows, click the Set Time Automatically Settings toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. To manually set the time in Windows 11, if you disable automatically setting the time, click the Change button in the Set the Date and Time Manually Setting button that is then activated. Then manually set the date and time and click the Change button in the Change Date and Time window that appears. To enable or disable automatically setting the time zone in Windows 11, click the Set Time Zone Automatically Settings toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. To enable or disable automatically adjusting for daylight saving time in Windows 11, if you disable automatically setting the time zone, click the Adjust for Daylight Saving Time Automatically Settings toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. To set your time zone in Windows 11, if you disable automatically setting the time zone, select the desired choice from the Time Zone Setting buttons dropdown. To manually sync the date and time with the Windows time server in Windows 11, click the Sync Now button for the Sync Now setting under the Additional Settings section. To show additional calendars in the taskbar if desired, select a choice from the Show Additional Calendars in the Taskbar Setting buttons drop-down menu. Under the Related Links section, you can click the Language and Region Settings button to show the language and region settings at the right side of the window. We will discuss these settings in the next lesson. To return to the date and time settings, click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the Settings app window. To add up to 2 additional clocks for different time zones that you can view when you click or hover over the clock at the right end of the taskbar in Windows 11, click the Additional Clocks setting button to open the Additional Clocks tab of the Date and Time dialog box. To add a clock, check its Show This Clock checkbox. Then select the clock's time zone from the Select Time Zone dropdown. Then enter a display name for the clock into the Enter Display Name field. Repeat this process for the other clock to add if needed. Then click the OK button to add the additional clocks to the Windows taskbar. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.